Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I have a design team package from Craspire.com. They asked me to take a look at some of their products. It's really nice and relaxing. Here are some of the beads. I'll give prices of generally of what I've got. And when you order beads, you get 3 candles and a spoon. So that's why I got 3 sets of those. And when you're doing the wax, you can either do 2 or 3. I found that 2.5 would maybe be the best. 3 gives kind of a little better layer of it. I've got some. These are my very first ones, and I need practice. But I did it on paper, and I think it's better to do it on a craft sheet, which is what I'll do next. After this video. So here's what I got. I got gold beads, and then I'll put the links for everything down below so you can tell which is what. This is a pack of 280 beads, and these are $13.58. I use probably about 8, if that. So there's a ton left. This is a pack of 210. And these are $10.19, but again, you get the wax candles and the spoon with each set. And then the gold and silver markers, they've got different colors, bronze, black, gold, silver. These are $8.69 each. And then these were each $7.99. So you get the stamp plus the handle for $7.99. That's a really pretty snowflake. That's a really cool Christmas bow with ornaments. And then that's happy birthday. And I was kind of thinking, I get a couple of the handles. It's all you need. I would suggest getting at least 5 or 6 handles because, you want to kind of keep moving on this, like do a few at a time or several at a time. And, this way, once you set it on your wax to harden, you're going to want to keep moving. So I found that having 5 was just about enough. I'd rather have 6. This is a really cool set called Animals and Ocean. And this was $20.37, but it's so pretty. You get a butterfly, a tortoise, a starfish, and a dragonfly, a mermaid, and a bumblebee. So those are really nice. So I'll show you a little bit about the website. It's real easy to order. It's Craspire, Craspire, as in the headline. And their site is really easy. There's stamp collections. You can look at assembled stamp sets. This is where I found the ocean one. But you can also get like a whole collection, like Best Wishes and Antlers is $14.69 for all of that. They also have wax sticks and glue gun wax sticks that you can use for doing this. I haven't tried that. Here's a Universe Mountain. Then they have this set with sealing beads, 1 stick and seal, and string, envelopes, markers for $32.99 or $89. You can get sets like that with the wax, the seal, and the little spoon. Then you can just get the wax itself. I like the little beads. I used the wax sticks years ago, and it kind of has a tendency to get smoky and burn. It's real tricky. And then these are the glue gun sticks. And then they have the regular sticks. And then I am bummed that I didn't buy a furnace. And I'll see where, I think I saw one here. because you are kind of going to want that. They're cute. They come in different size shapes, and like here's a little deer, or else they have fancier wooden ones. But these are, I'd like to get like one of those, or else the little deer is cute. So you have a lot to choose from. Like that, you can get the whole set. All right, so here is what I have, and I'll put all the links for all these products down below, and you can just get right to their website from there. And then I will do an upcoming video on making some wax seals. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much. Bye.